uyabona sikhule eZimbabwe kwakungala, you know, like e-sport, you know, kwakungala ukuthi, you know, ama-idols ukuthi like kuma sprints light. Ngiyakhumbula lapho sengiqalisa ukwenza ama-sprints kwakulo uSteve Vickers. So uSteve Vickers nguye owayekhuluma ngeLokhuzeni, so he would actually talk about uLokhuzeni uMelin Otto eJamaica. So wayesithi ngigijima njengaye, you know, so nguye, so ngase ngiqalisa mina uku-research ukuthi ngibone ukuthi kanti umuntu lo yakhuluma ngaye umuntu onjani, because ngayinsizothi kulama athletes, you know, when you do, you know ukuthi kulama athletes but ungazi ukuthi, you know, bayenzani baphila njani, and thina phela sakhuliswa kuthiwa hey wena awukufake, you know, yenza wamabhuku uzuze i-degree kumbe uzuze i-certificate yakho ubususeyasebenza ukuthi ungaba le career ugijima kwangasonto evele yayikuthi yayikhulunywa ngikhaya. Ngiyakhumbula mina even ubaba wakuye esikole wathi hayi angabe lokho esenza ukugijima lokho angisoze ngibhadale i-school fees. So yeah, nguye umuntu engabamazi kuqala actually ukuthi vele kulabantu abawuthiwa, you know, baya computer, it's world stage level.
Sengathi ke umdlalo owawuthakazelela kakhulu yiwuphi njalo wasprinta njani xa sikhangela i-personal best yakho i-record?
I-100 meters ngangithanda short. Uyamangalisa ngoba because mina ngaqalisa ngisenza iLokhuzeni ngigijima, you know, like ama 42 kilometers, right? Ngangithanda ukugijima 100 meters. But i-200 sasiyenza ukuthi ulungiseleke ukuthi improve i-time yakho uma ugijima i-100 meters. So nganga-investanga iLokhuzeni i-time yami ukuthi ngigijime i-200 meters. So my best actually engithi i-100 meters is actually my best, though I enjoyed them both anyways.
Yes, siyabona ukuthi ke wangena ku-Olympics ngo-2004 khona ngale ke eGreece. Akusitshela kancane ngalokho labantu abahlangana labo ngamafishane sibili. iLokhuzeni yokuya kuma-Olympics ngaqualifya ngo-2003 Wiminyaka engayenza kuhle sibili lapho engikwazi ukuthi i-career yami went to the level where lapho engayilami, you know, I was listed on the world ranking and I was also listed on the African ranking. I was in the top 5 sometimes in the African ranking, and I was in the top 20 for in the world ranking at a point in time. So ama times I'm out 100 meters and I qualify and B standard. B standard because babefuna A standard, low B standard. So I qualify and B standard. So I means we can qualify for the 2004 Olympics in Athens. Yes, I want to try personal best yako 11 seconds, 11.36 seconds, 2003. Yeah. So
yes, yonaleyo i-2003 wakule because ngasuka eZimbabwe ngase ngibuya ngase ngisiya eLokhuzeni eSouth Africa lapho engangicompete khona ngoba babe lama competitions more akusiza abantu emazweni abamnyama babesuka eEurope abantu njengoma Marion Jones, abantu njengamo Debbie Ferguson from Jamaica babesiza besizogijima eSouth Africa because kwakulama engine series lama absa series. So kwakulama series esasiwagijima, there were 7 of them. So those are the ones engangiwasebenzisa ukuthi ngi-prepare for any ama competitions engangizenza manza phuma nsiya emazweni. So i-11.3 ngagijima eDurban. That was the engine series.
Ke usungenele kuma Olympics wenza njani khona ngale siyabona ukuthi wagcina number 6 100 meters.
iLokhuzeni kuma Olympics ngaba iLokhuzeni ngayenza only ku first round anzange ngiqualify uya ku Lokhuzeni to the second round. as you see with isikhathi sami u1156 you know for somebody to go ukuthi ungene ku second round ngathwa ngagijima 11:4 nganza kwanisa ukuthi ngingene ku second round lokutheni yama Olympics ngoba babethatha first I think babethatha first 3 first fastest 3 and one slowest qualifier depending on lokutheni ukuthi babe certain njani ukuthi ama qualifying times qualify njani. So even isikhathi sami if it was faster uba number 6 I was supposed to be in the top 3 or top 2 for me in kuma hit uthi ngingene to the second round.
Yes, ngathi wezwa njani khonapho ke so compete ungasaphumelelanga ukuthi uqhubekela phambili.
Uyazi njenge athlete yabona uyabusebenze you know all years usenzele ukuthi ube lethuba lokuthi uye compete at that level and not only ithuba but la ukuthi uye kwenza you know your best you know and mina you know I left ngile feeling ukuthi ingxenye you know if it gives you a focus ukuthi masusiya from there on kulezi izinto ongazenzanga yini awufuza uyizenze uthi ungabe wayenza ngcono or kule ngoba I was still thinking ukuthi ngizabuya kwamanye ama games like ngo 2008 so wawufuze you never leave awusuke usutsetikile ukuthi hayi saying lapha yi best yami you always have lokuzwe ukuthi kule opportunity ukuthi ungayenza ngcono there is you need to improve.